Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my favorites from the Mcgrath Lust and Opulust lip gloss collection. I've been showing you guys some of my recent faves. We did a MAC video and recently a Fenty Beauty video, so it was only right that I did Mcgrath. You guys know that she is my absolute favorite makeup artist. I love her brand, and so I really wanted to show you guys some of my faves from her lip gloss collection because I do use them a lot. Like, they stay in my makeup bag, they stay in my purse, so I definitely felt like they needed to be shown to you all. I have some clear gloss on right now, so I'm gonna go in and use my Prep and Prime just to make sure that it lays smoothly. Whenever I apply gloss, I do like to prep my lips. One of my favorite things about her glosses are the fact that they feel so comfortable on the lips. They're pretty thin, but you still get a nice color, and they also smell really good. For some of them, I am going to be using liners. I'll show you guys which liner I'm using, but for most of them, I like just wearing them on the lips just by themselves. Her shades work really well with my skin tone, so I don't have to adjust them as much as I have to do some of my other glosses. So let's go ahead and get right into our first gloss, which is Divine Rose. She had a whole Divine Rose collection, a palette. There was a lot of things that was in this collection, but they all were so pretty. So this is a really pretty mid-tone pink. These honestly smell so good. I love that they have this great scent. It's not too overpowering, but you can smell it. As soon as I applied this one for the very first time, I loved it because I'm really into the mid-tone pinks that aren't too bright, aren't too dark. And I feel like this is one that is just a nice neutral shade that anyone can wear, and it looks nice. And that's what this shade gives me. So our next shade is Bronze Shimmer. As you guys can see, it's definitely a little bit more lit than this one. It's one that you would wear going out, and this is from her Opulust collection. So all of these had a lot of shimmer in them. This one was one that I really loved from that collection because not only is the shimmer popping, but this brown was just so pretty. So right away, you guys can see the difference with the shimmer on this one. It's definitely more bold. It has a little pink in it, but I really like wearing this one with like gold and darker brown shadows. And I always add a little extra gloss to the center just to gloss it up even more. So cute. This is definitely a cute, fun shade. Like, I really like this one. This one is still fun. No matter what age you are, you can wear this one. If you're into shimmer, of course. Like that like baby doll look with the soft pink. I feel like this one has a little peach. It's a little warmness to it. It's not as icy and as bright as some of my other shades that I do have. So I love that it still gives me that light pink, soft pink, but it's toned down. You don't have to worry about too much creasing or moving too much. And also using that primer helps that as well. We have another Opulust gloss shade. This one is a really pretty peach. And these glosses remind you of like her duochrome shadows that give you two different colors, so I love it. This gives you like peach and pink at the same time. The quality is top tier with all of her products, and then they're just unique. They're bold, bright, like she just gives me everything. Really like one of a kind. I'm telling you guys, her brand is just like, it's one of a kind. I love it so much. Now this one is a shade that I do like to use with liner. I'm gonna go in with my Cork liner from MAC. This is just like a brown, medium brown shade, and I really like to focus it on the outer corners. Like, you see this bold shimmer, but you still can wear it whenever. Well, this is another shade that I really love, and I always like wearing this one with gold eyeshadow or that bright highlighted look that I like to wear with like the halo in the center. But if you're into gold, this one is really pretty. This one is so cute, and it also looks really, really good on top of lipsticks. Even if you have like a perfect lipstick shade that you want to wear for the night, if you add this just to the center, gonna take it to the next level. I love how like in the tube it just looks super gold, but on the lips you get that hint of gold, but it's not too much. And so this one is everything. Okay, I really love this one. This one is definitely in my like top 3 of the ones that I've worn the most. I can wear it like this by itself, no liner, or I can wear it with liner, toned down. So there's a lot of different ways you can wear this shade. Pale Fire Nectar, I feel like it's the pink version of this shade that I have on. It's still kind of subtle, but you'll be able to see that hint of pink gloss. So it's not gonna give you so much of that pink color, but it gives you more of like a shimmered look. I don't even wanna take this one off though, it's so cute. This one is Pale Fire Nectar. I told you guys, even though they look so bright in the tube, you really have to try a lot of her shades on because they just blend so well. And they're also thin, so you don't have to worry about it just being super thick on the lips with so much color. This is like the perfect hint of shimmer and a highlight, everything, okay? I'm in love with all these shades, y'all. Like, they're so pretty. I can't even. Here is Dreamscape. This is also another Opulust gloss. So this one is more of a bronzy. Oh, I know y'all see this now. We're just gonna put this one on because this one is like no other. So here's Dreamscape, and like I told you guys, this one, I really don't even know how to describe this shade. I mean, it's like silver, gold, pink, bronze. It's so many things going on, but it's still wearable. It's still gorgeous. Like, I love it. It's unique. It works well with like pink shadows. As you guys can see, it blends in really good with what I have on now, but you also can wear brown, you can wear gold, you could even wear silver with this because of the highlight. Like, you can do whatever you want to do, okay? But Dreamscape, she really did her thing with this one. This one is like nothing else that I have. This next shade I love so much, and I always wear a liner with this one because it is a really light pink. On Oak liner from MAC, my absolute favorite lip liner. Gorgeous. This one is a really pretty soft pink, neutral nude. It's a little gold and pink mixed together, so that's how it starts to create this nude look, even though in the tube it looks really light pink. And this is probably the one that I would say I wear the most out of all of them, just because this is a great everyday shade. It's something you can wear with no makeup. And sometimes we want a gloss, you know, that you can just throw on. You don't have to have any makeup on. And so this one for me is that gloss. I like using my lip brush with it to give me that toned down look, but gorgeous. And this was from the Lust collection. Here's our next shade, Flesh Fantasy. Here's what it looks like. And the difference between this one and Divine Rose, which was the other mid-tone pink, is that this one I think is just a little softer on the lips. It's a little lighter. And this one does have a lot of brown undertone to it. Here is another everyday gloss, really pretty and natural. Something that blends in really good with my lip shade. So whenever I want something that just looks like my lips, not too much color, I like to go for this one. I like this one too for date nights. This is a nice date night shade, or if you have something to do that's early in the day, you want it to kind of look like you have something on, but not too much. Really pretty. Our very last shade is Astral, and okay, clearly this is the one that I use the most. It's a really pretty pink peach shade. It's a perfect mixture of my favorite shades all in one. This one was from the Lust collection, but it does have a little shimmer in it. And this shade is one of my faves because it has that natural highlight that I love in the center. It gives me that natural golden look, so I don't have to do too much. It's flawless on its own. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you my faves from the Pat McGrath Lust and Opulust gloss collection. Give this video a thumbs up if you want more lip gloss collection videos from me. I love doing these videos. I have a new one coming after this, another MAC lip gloss collection part 2, so make sure you guys check that one out.